In the IELTS Life Skills test, there are 3 important WH words you can use. The IELTS Life Skills test has the second part where you need to ask questions to the other person in your test. In this video, I will give you 3 ways to ask questions easily. Here are the words you need to use when you ask questions. What, why, and who. It's very simple. You just connect what, why, and who to the topic you are given. Here are some examples to show you how it works. Example number 1. Let's say the topic is ask your partner what you do on Saturday. So use what, why, and who, and use the information from the topic. So what becomes what do you do on Saturday? Why? Why do you do this on Saturday? Who? Who do you do it with? Remember, with who, you do not need on Saturday because it is irrelevant. Here is one more example. For this example, imagine that you are told to ask questions about the food your partner likes to eat. Once again, start with what and connect it with the topic. What food do you like to eat? Then ask your why question. Why do you like this food? And who do you eat this food with? One more example to make this completely clear. Let's say this time your topic is to ask your partner questions about what they do in their free time. Begin with what? What do you do in your free time? Why? Why do you do it? And then who? Who do you do it with? I hope this is clear and you feel confident with it. It's quite easy really, isn't it? Just ask what, why, and how, and you already have 3 questions that you can ask in that second part of the IELTS A1 test. If you have any questions about this, please put them in the comments section downstairs. Before I end this video, there is one more important tip that I want to give you. And the tip is to respond to what your partner says. Don't just automatically ask the next question. Show that you have listened to your partner and you understand what they are saying to you first. You can do this by making responses like this. Oh, that's nice. Me too. I have not done that. It sounds exciting. It sounds interesting. It sounds fantastic. It sounds great. So, for example, if we go back to the second topic, where the topic was ask questions about what food do you like to eat, then you will ask the first question, what food do you like to eat? And maybe your partner responds. They say, I like to eat biryani. You should show that you understand the answer and respond by saying, oh, that's nice. I like biryani too. Or, oh, that's great. Just a short answer that shows that you are in control and you know what is happening in the discussion. Okay, so I hope that tip helps you get ready for your IELTS Life Skills test. Remember to subscribe to the IELTS Breakthrough channel. I've got lots of tips about IELTS, including the Life Skills test. And if you subscribe and hit the notifications icon, you'll be sure to get all of the new videos coming out. So, I'll see you in the next video and have a great day, week or weekend. Thank you.